Oh. Hello. Hi. Welcome back. I was gone, mainly because... But today's video is gonna be my latest shopping ventures or something. I don't know. This is just a way for me to cope with my shopping addiction. And yeah. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So the first thing I'm gonna be going over is, of course, clothes. What else would I be talking about? So the first thing I got when I went thrifting were these pants. They're orange corduroy pants from Talbots. I don't know how to say that. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I already have pants that look exactly like this. But the difference is that those are like straight legs and almost bell bottoms, and these are just like loose on me. The second thing I got is this Banana Republic tan t-shirt. You know, like when you go thrifting and you look for certain brands. I wasn't really looking for any brands, I was just looking for cool stuff. They just had like band tees and a whole bunch of stuff. But when I saw the Banana Republic t-shirt, I was like, okay, I kind of want to get this. I only spent $25 at the thrift store. The third thing I bought was this t-shirt, this NASCAR. There we go. But it's so big, it's just a dress on me, so that's where it's a t-shirt dress now. And the fourth thing I bought was this air balloon t-shirt. I don't remember what it says on it, but I just recently wore it, so it's in the laundry right now. But it should be up on the screen somewhere. And I really love that t-shirt. And every time I wear it, I get a bunch of compliments. I'm like, what is it about this shirt that just everybody's like, I want it? Now we're gonna be moving on to accessories. I got, geez, I can't even open it. This mini bag from Goodwill, but it's originally a 9 West bag. And when I searched up how much 9 West bags were, this is like originally $70 or something like that. And I was like, wow, that is a steal. The second bag I'm gonna show you guys is a bag from Croft and Barrows. Yes, I think it's Croft and Barrows. But I went together because originally I saw something like this at Urban Outfitters, and you know how expensive Urban Outfitters is, and I was like, all right, I'm not getting that. So then when I saw this at Goodwill, I was like, we're getting that. The next bag, which will be bringing us out of the thrifting bag, is from an igirl bundle, and it came with a Paul Frank stationery set.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you want me to change.
What? This David & Goliath sushi air freshener. Don't worry, it doesn't smell like fish. This body jewelry, and then it also came with Claire's clips, but I don't know where I put those. Anyways, moving on. The next things I would like to show you guys is majority of my igirl jewelry, because as of recently I just bought a whole bunch. Pause though, because not all of it is igirl jewelry. A lot of it is other jewelry too. But the first piece, which I'm so happy for, I got 2 gold ball chains that I was not happy about at all, but I bought the silver version. I don't think this one was on sale when I bought it like the others were, but I'm so happy that I got this. Although I would say the material is cheaper than I thought it was going to be, because it just feels like a beaded necklace. But yes, I got the silver version. Now we're going to be moving on to igirl jewelry. So the first igirl necklace, this igirl choker, but it could also be worn as just a necklace, but it's mainly presented as a choker. And it has igirl on one side and then dog bones on the other side. And then the next igirl piece is, of course, igirl pendant necklace. See, like the difference between her ball chain and then Urban Outfitters ball chain, it's just the major difference in quality, you can tell. And it's a nice necklace. Like, this sounds real. This sounds like a beaded necklace. Why do I keep saying it like that? Just like short pieces. But it's the coffin earrings, and I love these so much. Tim Burton right there, inspired. I love these. And for some reason when I got them, everybody was like, coffin earrings? And the last items I'm going to show you are the igirl studs. I wear these all the time. Sometimes I wear one igirl, and then I'll wear a coffin earring on this ear. Every time I do that, my friend points it out to me. She's like, oh my gosh, you did it again. I'm like, yes, I did. Yeah, but I was saying thanks for watching. And I was also talking about maybe an updated room tour, even though I mainly just added things to my walls and moved some furniture, but so it's nothing crazy that happened. But yes, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I was also apologizing for just appearing months at a time, but I would love to be on this channel consistently, but my brain will not allow that. So yes, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Go follow me on Instagram, subscribe maybe, like, I don't know, depop. That's also a thing too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, whenever that even happens. Bye.